Hello everyone, welcome to Nasreen's Zaika Kitchen. In this video we are gonna do the haul of the Flipkart products which we bought. So this is our first product which we bought from the Flipkart, and it is a Photron THT 350 tripod stand. So this is how actually it comes in this box. We opened it earlier, so it is bit looking messy. So let's open it. So this is how actually. So this Photron tripod comes in this bag, which is quite handy to take anywhere, wherever you want to go. And let's look at it. So this is our stand, and along with this we get this mobile stand also, which is not available with our other tripods. So this comes with this, and it is quite handy, and you can increase the height by changing these. See, this is how actually you can change the height of this tripod, and it is very easy to use. Anyone can use it without knowing any other information. So it is very good product from Flipkart. So if you want to attach your mobile phone in landscape and portrait, in both you can attach this stand with your mobile phone. So just you need to put your mobile phone in this, and then just screw it with the stand, and you're ready with your stand for your shoot. So this is how actually you need to do this. Okay, so we can open our stand like this. Just tight it properly so that it won't fall. And there are some more adjustments which you can do. You can lift up your stand like this to a particular height. You can move this. You have a knob to fix your height, and there are some more adjustments which you can do in accordance with your preference. And after the use, you just put it back and then remove everything. Then tie it like this and put it back into your bag. Okay, so this is how actually the stands look like. So this was my opinion about this tripod, that is Photron Steady 350 tripod. There are some more adjustments. If you want to do it, or you're not aware about those adjustments, you will get a manual how to actually use this tripod. So there is no worry. You can go about this product in accordance with me. Okay guys, so here we go with our second product for the day. So this is Renberg Kadhai. This is also from Flipkart. So it costed us around 1500 something. So it comes in this box. Actually we opened it earlier, so the box is not in its proper condition. So this is how actually this kadai looks like. It comes with this stainless steel lid, and this is our kadai. It is non-stick, and I think so the coating is quite good, and there are two comfortable handles by which you can hold it. And this is the back of this kadai, and this is how actually this lid fits on it. The diameter of this lid and this kadai is 26 centimeters. It is also a good product from Flipkart, so you can buy this product from Flipkart. So guys, here we go with our third product. So this is a pan with a glass lid, transparent lid, and this is a product of Flipkart brand, and the diameter of this lid and this pan is 26 centimeter only. And this pan we bought earlier, I think so 2 to 3 months ago we bought this pan, and it is in very good condition. This is how actually it looks like, and it is also a nice product of Flipkart. So this is our fifth Flipkart product. This is a pan. It is also non-stick, and it is a milk pan. It comes with this attachable and detachable handle, and this is our glass lid. This is how actually it looks like, and this you need to press this button, and then So this is how actually it is to be done, and then release the button. So here we go with the handle of this pan is very sturdy and it is safe to use. This pan comes with a marble coating and it is non-stick, and you can boil milk in this, and it is of Prestige brand, as you can see here. So this is also a nice product from Flipkart. So guys, this is our sixth product. These are kulfi ice cream molds, and this also I bought from Flipkart. This one is my first kulfi mold which I bought from Flipkart, and it is quite old, and for my YouTube channel I bought these two new kulfi and chocobar molds. This you have seen in my video for chocobar mold, and this is also you have seen in my video of kulfi. So this is how actually it looks like. It is a very nice product. The problem which I have with this product is that these are not the problem in this chocobar mold which I faced is that when I try to remove chocobar after freezing, it is not easily removable from the stand, so please buy it carefully. And this one was very nice, it was easily removable. This is how actually it looks like. This was very nice and looking very cute when I used it. So this is my honest review about these three kulfi molds. So guys, this is our next product. It is a cake tin. You can use for baking, and it is also a nice product from Flipkart. I used it and the cake was very nice in this. I will also upload the video of this cake as soon as I am free from my work. And along with this tin, I bought this spoon also, silicone spoon. It is very sturdy and very nice. You can see some silicone spoons, they get folded when we use it to mix something, but this is very sturdy and it is very nice. I love this product, and it is my one of the best product which I bought from Flipkart. So these two also are good from Flipkart. So I highly recommend these two products from Flipkart. If you want, you can buy these. I will also provide you with the links of these products in my description box, so you can buy from that. So at the end, I want to say that this is not promoted by Flipkart. This was my honest review about all the products which I bought from Flipkart. If you like one of them, you can buy from the links which are provided in. So guys, if you like today's video, please share, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.